Tired of the same old avatar looks? Let's dive into making your own custom shirts on Roblox Mobile. First things first, open up the Roblox app and tap on the avatar icon at the bottom of your screen, then select customization and then clothing, tap shirts. You'll then see a prompt that reads create, tap that. Now, the real fun begins designing your shirt. Next, you will be redirected to a page for your shirt creation. You will need to upload a template. This is important, so you know the exact area the shirt will cover, otherwise your design might look a bit funky. You can search Roblox shirt template on your favorite search engine, save that template to your phone's photo gallery. Now, open your favorite image editing app. You'll use this to bring your shirt vision to life. Import the saved Roblox shirt template, overlay your design on top of the Roblox template. You can use whatever image you want. Maybe your favorite logo, a cool pattern, or even a drawing of your own. Once you're happy with your design, remove the Roblox template layer and save the finished product as a PNG file to your phone's photo gallery. Make sure it is in a good resolution. Now, back in the Roblox app on the shirt creation page, tap the upload button again, then select choose file and then your finished shirt design from your photo library. Next, give your shirt a catchy name and a description. You may potentially have to pay a small fee of Robux to upload the shirt. And there you have it. Customize, express yourself, and show off your unique style to the Roblox world. Be sure to experiment with different designs to expand your wardrobe. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox tutorials.